find my dog? Really? Is that true that you found my dog? Oh my god! Oh, there are you guys. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Zig for Ricardo. Today, we are back with some more house designer. So, someone text me that he found my dog Jacob. So, he's here. Oh, he's sleeping. Oh my god. He's here. I'm glad. Oh my god. He died. No, we didn't have our headphones. Okay. Put this headphone. And yeah, there's Jacob laying around sleeping. And remember the last episode that Jacob missing? There's a clip right over here. I saw the doghouse, the kennel. Okay, go outside. What the heck is not outside? This is inside. Okay, go outside. Oh my god. Where should we put it? Okay, just outside right here. And yeah, use that. And yep. That's the thing. Yep, let's go. I hope he will go back. If not, I waste my money. What the heck? Wait, it's not allowed there. It's fine, let's put right. Oh my god. Let's put it right over there. So yeah, that happens today. Before we do this video, don't forget to smash that like button right now. And don't forget to subscribe down below. So yeah, let's get on. Okay. What should we do to this? Pretty boring. Jacob is just sleeping right here. I'm glad someone find it in the last episode. Oh my god. What should we do today? Should we buy another pet? Okay. That's a good deal. Okay, click this pet thing here. Pet shop. What should we buy? This cat ginger right here. Or cat gray. That cost around $210 and this 210. We already have Dalmatian color gray and white and black. Oh, this better. Let's just buy it. Yeah, the pet is added to our list. Okay, settle. Where should we put it? Right next to that dog thing. Oh my god, we have another pet. We're gonna full it of pets, okay? So yeah, what should we do today? So this is a little bit clip. I'm pretty bored right now. I don't want to make YouTube videos. Just wait. I'm just gonna waste my money. So sell this thing. Oh my god. I sold my bed! No! So, what should we do? Think. Should we get another episode? Another game? What game should we do? We can do some work to earn some money. That's pretty nice. Okay, I guess that's the end of the video. So yeah, before we end this video, don't forget to smash that like button right now, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Bye and peace. Okay, peace. This is only a short clip. Don't argue with me. So